Welcome to a tutorial on the submitted application page. Once the applicant successfully submits their application, they will then see the submitted application page. If the application deadline is still open, the applicant will have the ability to click on the Edit Your Submitted Application button should they wish to edit their application. They must then resubmit their application. They also have the ability to view the PDF version of their submitted application or the employment verification responses. The submitted screen also states the information to withdraw. At any point prior to the contract being countersigned, if the applicant would wish to withdraw, they must contact the BHW and state their intent to do so.